Hi, welcome to Arden, North Carolina. I'm Tatyana Edwards with Edwards Realty, and my videographer today is
EkaterinaHagen with Edwards Realty.
We're here to preview this home that was built in 2019 by Windson Built Homes, and it's listed by Windson Built Homes again. So this house is located in the subdivision called Hyde Park. Each lot is about 0.1 acres. This particular home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and the square footage is 2,366 square feet. As you can see, beautiful stonework on the outside, beautiful colors, color scheme picked for the house. I like that blue, or I guess you would call it
Dark gray,
blue,
maybe?
dark gray, charcoal. And all of the houses, they kind of go along with the idea of different muted colors. They're not bright. That house right there is kind of greenish. Then we got a gray one. Then continuing on is like khaki, yellows, and reds. All of them are very unique. And I think they're very pretty, but they're very close to each other. So as we enter the house, a very nice big entrance area, as well as has a coat closet. Here we can go and see one of the rooms and the bathrooms, or we can look at the living room. So let's go and see one of the bedrooms. This bedroom faces the street. It's very cute. Looks like it's being used as an office or potentially a
Guest room maybe?
guest room.
Or playroom.
A very long closet. Very tall ceiling, so it's higher than the standard size
Probably
ceiling.
9 feet.
I'd say, yeah.
And we're tall.
And we are tall, yes. We got the carpet, as Katrina said, and then we have laminate flooring. Bathroom looks like it has tile in there. Tall sink, toilet, and the shower.
It's a basic.
Yes.
The staircase with a carpet, which is safe.
To go upstairs. As we enter into the living/dining area, I really like the ceiling. I like that it has some character to it. So beams made into the boxes. Again, they're all tall.
And it opens up in a big room.
Yes, it does open into a big room, which has raised ceiling, and fireplace adds a good character to the room as well. Very light, plenty of window space. Kind of muted colors. So the kitchen is all white, as you can see. We got the granite. I think it's granite, right? It's very,
Yes.
it's pretty.
It is.
Very unique how different stones look in there. Stainless steel appliances. We got standard sink. Let's see if they're soft close or not.
No, it's
I
very
don't think
basic.
They're not. They're very basic, yes. Then going through here, we got a nice big pantry.
It is big. Wow.
And then
I love those containers.
we have a nice
They don't
area.
convey with the house, but it looks like it's for pets.
Yeah,
That's
yeah, it does
nice.
look like it's pet food and pet things. So it's a nice big area to use. Then we got large laundry, even has a space for the freezer. And then we have a 2-car garage.
Okay, we're not going there. We'll keep it private for the people who live in here. What's in that door? Ah, it's a
That's
pantry.
your pantry. And then we have a master suite.
Oh, wow.
Very spacious. Love the ceiling, the tray ceiling that is made in here.
Very big bed.
Very big. And then it leads into the bathroom. Has 2 sinks.
Look at the size of that closet.
The closet is huge. Hello.
Yeah.
It's like a big room. Could be, you know, it's like an office room size. Then we got nice storage space, tall sinks. Again, original to the house from 2019. There's an area for something else if you want.
Makeup maybe?
Or you could put a sideways tub for those who love tubs. And then we got a shower.
And something else with a toilet.
Yep. And then we have actually toilet that is totally separate from everything else with its own door.
Nice.
So all we have left is to glance upstairs.
So upstairs is only 1 bedroom?
Upstairs actually has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom.
Okay.
So downstairs area is almost 1,600 square foot, and the upstairs area is 792 square feet. So. Welcome upstairs. We're in the living room of the upstairs area.
Well, that's nice. So people can watch 2 TVs, 1 downstairs, 1 upstairs.
Yes, it looks like it's still separate. Could be used as separate living quarters. Here we have a nice big bedroom. 2 windows.
Oh, wow.
Attic space for storage. And we have a closet. Also very spacious.
Yes.
As we come out from this bedroom, we're back to the living room and a bathroom.
Tennessee Volunteers.
So
This
sink,
is the theme.
sink, toilet, and the tub.
So it's basic, but it's all you need, right?
Yes. We can see the neighbor from here, but again, living close to town, proximity to everything, that's perfect. It's all you need. You have your own small yard on the background. Here we got more space.
So that room didn't have a closet. More storage, a lot of storage in this house.
It's like built like a Cape Cod, so you definitely utilize all space possible.
And I can see the mountain from here,
Beautiful.
behind the neighbors. So all houses are different colors.
We got like a linen closet slush
Game
storage
closet.
space, game closet. And I believe you already showed the bedroom.
Yes.
So that would be the last bedroom, which has the closet. It's right here.
Oh, okay.
Also, big window. So I love that it's all open, but there's a closet. I'm actually not going to open it because they might have it specifically standing. So you never know, but it's a good office space. So what did you guys think of this house? $649,999, so $650,000. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, built in 2019. Located in Arden, North Carolina, 0.1 acres. Let us know. We're your buyer's agents. We'll be happy to show you more homes. Call us. The number's listed below. And we'll see you.
Let's go see the backyard.
Oh yeah, good idea. Let's go see backyard. It's only 0.10 acres, so now we're downstairs, as we forgot to mention what the backyard looks like. So let's go and glance at the backyard. Has a nice patio right here that is actually enclosed.
Oh, nice.
And probably good for cats. You know, if you have a cat can walk in here but never get out unless they're rowdy and they will break your little netting.
I don't see any plants in landscaping. only on the front.
Mm-hmm.
Just who likes to mow just a little bit, there is a playground for that.
Yeah. And then we got the small area on the side right there, then in front of the house, and then a little bit in between the other neighbor. So low maintenance. Their HOA fee is $425 annually.
That's very little.
That is little. So let us know what you think. Contact us if you want to see more homes. We're here to help you find the home of your dreams.